everybody, we out today. We're going to take a look in the chicken coop. Finally, after quite a while, our hens got decimated a while back by a wild dog. Our hens have actually finally started laying. So I hear them out here squelching. So we're going to try to see what we got. We got at least one egg here. I have our old roost. It hasn't been quite taken down yet. I'm just looking to see. I guess all I see in here, this is mainly where they bed at night. So let's go take a look in the old coop, because I hear some of the hens over there making all kind of noise. Let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, like I said, my hens, these are, oh, this one's fresh, still warm, are still relatively new. I got 5 eggs today, which I'm fine, you know. Over the last couple of days, I've gotten several more. Sorry about that, guys. This camera angle. Trying to get out here. Of course, I'm not the. You see that? I'm going to take a seat right here. My pen's a little mess here. I know it needs some cleaning. We have been facing some pretty extremely cold weather. And any of you have watched my channel before, you know the situation that I had happened to me. Not trying to beat a dead horse, because it's not something I'm not looking for people to pity me. I just still keep doing what I'm doing. I enjoy raising animals. I think it actually helps me, even though with my condition. Without it, most people who give up just deteriorate and eventually give up, and I'm not about doing that. I still work. I don't want to be getting a check every month that people will say, oh yeah, let me just collect the check because I don't want to do anything. Well, that's not me. But I've got a lot of more work ahead. I actually just added 20 birds that we hatched out now to the big flock. And I've come to the realization that I thought this would all work. There'd be a big enough space for all of them. And it's not even the small chickens that are causing the issue. It's my roosters keep trying to top my ducks. So I'm not worried about the geese. I think I might have to actually do a separate spot and keep just the ducks by themselves, or ducks and geese. I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided 100% on that, but that's pretty much where we're at for right now. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you're staying out of the cold. Not much going on with the gardening as of right now. This week, which today is Tuesday, probably Thursday, I'll be starting my seeds, and I hope to do a video of that to have out for this Saturday. And normally I try to stay on schedule and do at least one video a week, but due to the weather and stuff like that, I have kind of put that off for now. But thank you guys. I hope everybody's safe, and I hope you're having a good time. Let me get this camera over here. Show a video of some of the newer guys. These are the ones you guys seen us hatch out. They are a little over, I want to say, 7 or 8 weeks old now, and they're actually in the big pen with the big birds and doing extremely well. So I'm much happy about that. Some of them over there, some of the ducks. Normally I have a little white duck running around, but because the male roosters were getting too aggressive with her and trying to top her and tearing her up and making her bleed, I had to take and separate her for a short period of time. But I hope we don't get any more rain, because God forbid I don't need any more. I'm actually thinking about taking the shade cloth off the top of here and keeping it off for now until the summertime, so that way this place can dry out a little bit better. But that's it for today, guys. I'm going to leave the video right here.